In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Squarespace URL. Whether you're setting up your website for the first time, or just need to remind yourself of where to find this crucial piece of information, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Let's dive right in and make sure you can easily locate your site's address. First things first, we'll begin by navigating to the Squarespace website. If you haven't bookmarked it already, simply open your preferred browser and type in squarespace.com in the address bar. Once there, if you're not already logged in, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Now that you've reached the Squarespace homepage, look for the Get Started button and click on it. This will help guide you through the next steps by taking you to the dashboard, where all your website projects can be managed. If you have multiple projects, you'll see a list here. Next, you'll need to select the website for which you're trying to find the URL. Take a moment to ensure you've chosen the correct one, especially if you manage multiple sites. Once selected, click to open your website's management interface. This is where the magic happens, and all of the behind-the-scenes work on your site takes place. Now that you're in the right spot, it's time to access the Settings panel. You can usually find this on the left-hand side of the screen, marked simply as Settings. Click on this option to open up a plethora of tools and options available for customizing and managing your site. Within the Settings panel, scroll down a bit until you find the Domains section. Alternatively, if you're in a bit of a rush, you can use the search bar within the settings to quickly locate domains. This section is key to finding your website's URL. Here in the Domains section, look for the primary domain listed. This is the official URL of your website, the web address that visitors will use to find and access your site online. It's important to take note of this, especially if you're planning to share it with others. If your website hasn't been published yet, don't worry. You will still see a default Squarespace URL listed, even if your custom domain isn't active yet. This default address will be in the format of your sitename.squarespace.com, and you can use it to view your site before it goes live to the public. And there you have it. You've successfully found your Squarespace URL. Whether you're ready to share with your audience or just want to keep it handy, you're all set. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped make the process clear and simple. Keep building, and happy site managing.